A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today we are starting a new unit, which means it's a poem. Its name is No. It's given at page 14. It's written by Thomas Hood 150 years ago. Thomas Hood is also famous for comic verse. He has written funny poems, but this one is really a serious poem, and he has described the autumn season in that, which is in November. But keep it in mind, as you know, different weathers in different months, we have different type of weather. But here, like we have, like for example, January, February, starting, if you start with the start of the year, January, February, we have cold weather here. Then at the end of February, March, April, it's cool, while May, June, July, August, September, they are the hottest months. And then October is warm, it's cool again. Then November, mid-November, December, January, these are the coldest months. But it's not about the weather here, it's about London. You know, they have extreme weather in those areas, where we have, like in November we have cool here, but that is snowfall, as we have in hilly areas here, in mountainous areas. You know about all these things. But he has beautifully described the autumn in November. How is the autumn? What is autumn? Where the leaves fall off the trees. We see leafless trees around us, and the green color, the green shades are converted into yellow, brown, amber, because they change their color because of the tough weather, and then they fall off the trees. So we see leafless trees that time. Then they have snow everywhere, like snowfall we have here in just mountainous and hilly areas, as you know, Murray and Kalam and such areas, they cover with snow, and the life becomes tough and hard for the people. Here the poem No, it's beautifully written, because every line till the end, like November start with No, November. Every line of the poem starts with No, which means different activities, human activities, natural activities come to an end, and they say no to that. People start wearing warm clothes, and they keep the summer clothes away. The title is No, and the poet has justified that by giving every line a no. So let's read what he has written in the poem. No sun, no moon, no morn, no noon. No sun, no moon is when there is snow everywhere, we have clouds. They have clouds all the time. The weather is cloudy, gloomy, dull, boring, and there is no sun. When the sky is covered all the time with dark clouds, they don't see the sun. No moon is visible. That's why no morn, no noon. Morn means morning. As the sun rises, because we get idea of the timings by looking at the sun. As the sun rises, we say it's morning. When it comes to the middle of the sky, we say it's noon, and when it goes down after 12, we say afternoon, and when it sets, we call that evening. So when there is no sun visible, that is covered under the dark clouds, no such timings we have. No morn, no noon, no dawn, no dusk. Again, these show timings. Dawn is the light before sunrise. Light before sunrise is dawn, and dusk end of the day, that means light after the sun sets. Keep it in mind, dawn, light before sunrise, and dusk, light after the sun sets. Then it darks. No proper time of day. As I told you, no idea of the timing. No sky, no earthly view. No sky, like whatever we have in sky, sun, at night we see moon and stars, so not visible because that is foggy weather, dark and gloomy weather, clouds all the time. Same goes for no trees are visible, no flowers, no birds, nothing. Earthly view, whatever we see. No road, no street, no T other side the way. No road, no street, nothing is visible. All the things on the ground, they are covered with snow, so no idea where is the road, where is the street. No T other side means the other side. Here T other side means the other side of the way. Imagine if everything is covered with snow, how can we see? Like when there is no snow, everything is clear, sunlight is there, moonlight is there, though we have idea, this is the road, this is the street, this is crossroad, whatever. So nothing is visible in that. No end to any row. Where the street starts, where it ends, no idea. Row means a narrow street. No indications where the crescents go. No indication, no idea, no hint where the crescents go. Crescents here can be taken in two meanings. One meaning is arc shape, like turned streets, and second, crescent means like moon. We have, if you have observed, we have two organizations, national. They are Red Crescent and Red Cross. They help the human, and they save lives, they help in health, they give in calamities, help in calamities. Their veins are everywhere. If you have observed, some veins have cross over that which shows Red Cross, that is an organization, and one have a red moon on that is Red Crescent. So you can say like their veins, their vehicles are not visible because there is no movement. Life comes to a standstill during November, during autumn. And if you take it in the meaning of streets, no streets are visible, no idea where the street starts, where the street ends, where it turns. No recognitions of familiar people. No top to any steeple. Steeple is tall tower of a church. So that is not visible. Like full view, as we can see, I can see here buildings and trees outside the window. When you go out, you will see roads, vehicles. As the life comes to an end. Why comes to an end? Because everything, roads, parks, everything, streets, they are covered with snow. So they are confined to their houses. As you have observed in COVID, and during coronavirus, people would stay at home, they would store food items for them. So same goes for this season also. When November going to start and it going to snowfall, they store all the things, food and every whatever they need in life, they store them for themselves for that season. No recognitions of familiar people. As we have normal weather, we go out to visit our friends, relatives, neighbors. No recognition of familiar people. When they are confined to their houses, how can they go and how can they see? So no idea, no recognitions of familiar, well-known people like friends, relatives, neighbors. No courtesies for showing M. M here means them. Courtesies means politeness, nice behavior. So when people go out to socialize, they go to parks, shopping centers, they meet people, they exchange polite words with each other, they talk to each other, show politeness, enjoy meeting them. when they are confined to their houses, like the same line is repeated because these are all because life has come to a standstill. People are confined to their houses, so when visits are not there, visiting their friends, relatives, they are not taking place, so no courtesy is there. No knowing them, of course, no knowing them, like when you go out, you know everyone, you meet them, you understand them, who is they, who is she, who is he. So when you don't go out, no courtesies take place, no recognition, no nothing. No traveling at all, no locomotion, like people don't want to travel because no traveling at all, no locomotion. Locomotion means movement. No inkling the way, no notion. Inkling means no clue, no idea, and same is for notion, no concept, no idea of what? Of the way. People don't want to come out because when they come out of their homes, they want to travel or they want to go to parks. They can't understand where the road starts, where it ends. Even they can't move in the severe snow everywhere. No go by land or ocean. No go. As we move, we either use cars, we use aeroplanes, we use trains. By land or ocean, or we use ships. So nothing. Every activity stops in the month of November or during autumn. No mail, no post. It doesn't mean email because it is written 150 years ago. It means that time email was not introduced that time. This means mail means like whatever we communicate with each other through letters. So that would be sent through post offices and the postman would deliver them. If that would be international letters or parcels, that they would be delivered through aeroplanes, and if that would be inside the country, through trains or through buses, etc. No news from any foreign coast. No communication, no letters, no post, and no news from the like not like this. Today's world is like a global village, and we can communicate each other in any weather at any time through mobiles, through internet, through computers, through internet. It's the time 150 years ago. Keep it in mind. No news from any foreign coast. Now we are aware of whatever the weather is, how are this flood or earthquake or anything. We can quickly get information from any corner of the world. No park, no ring, no afternoon gentility. No park. Here park here means Hyde Park, which is a very famous and huge park in London. No park, like people don't go to Hyde Park because it's covered with snow. No ring. Ring is a circular place where riding and driving activities are going on. So when people go to park, they go on riding, they enjoy riding or they enjoy driving in that ring. No afternoon gentility. Like people normally visit the parks, as you know, when they do their morning activities, and mostly when they have free time, that is always afternoon, whether that is summer or winter. No afternoon gentility. When they go out to park, they meet each other, they exchange polite words. Gentility here means upper class of the society. So when they don't come to park, they don't enjoy driving, they don't enjoy riding. So no gentility take place, like they don't come to park. So no such activity is going on. No company, no nobility. Nobility here again means like gentility, so nobility. No company. When they don't meet, they can't dare to go in the hardest and tough and coldest weather, when every corner is covered with snow. They don't have company of friends and relatives, so they don't enjoy, they don't feel happy. Because when you meet friends, relatives, so we enjoy and we feel happy. Even when we get bored, we go to friends and we go to relatives, so we feel better. So when such activities are stopped, they no company they are enjoying and they don't feel happy. No warmth, no cheerfulness, no healthful ease. No warmth. Warmth means warm feelings. When you feel happy meeting your friends and relatives, so you are excited and you have good feelings. No cheerfulness, no happiness, because such activities are not taking place. You are unable to meet your friends, relatives, so no happiness. And no healthful ease, no healthy activities, no physical activities are going on, because such activities take place in parks, in grounds, so they are stopped because people are unable to go in the hardest, coldest and snow covered area. So they can't enjoy such things. No comfortable feel in any member. No one is feeling comfortable in their homes because they get bored in this gloomy, dark and cloudy weather. No shade, no shine. Like up till now, the poet has described human activities. No movement, no meeting friends, no gentility, no visiting parks, no locomotion, no idea of anything, no news from the foreign lands. But in the last, the poet has come to the natural activities. They also stops. Why? Because no shade. Trees are covered with snow, no shade is there. No shine, there is no sun. The sun doesn't rise because all the times that is the weather is cloudy, gloomy, dull. So no shine is there. No butterflies and no bees. No butterflies because butterflies come to flowers. They enjoy and the same goes for bees. Their job is related to flowers and they collect juice from there and they make honey. So when there are no flowers, no trees, so butterflies and bees have nothing to do. They are not visible anywhere. So nature is also not visible. Natural activities. No fruits, no flowers, no fruits. Like when trees are covered with snow all the time, how they can, like tree also has their activities, plants, they grow, they at proper timings, weather, they have flowers in that, and then they are converted into fruits, and they all take place in the presence of sunlight. When sunlight is missing, no fruits, no flowers, no leaves, no birds. As birds, bees, butterflies, they are all their activities are related to flowers and trees. Birds make their nest on trees. When trees are covered with snow, what they can do? So what birds do that time then? They migrate from one place to another in search of suitable weather and food. No fruits, no flowers, no leaves, no birds, November. Why these are not visible and why people are unable to enjoy butterflies, bees and birds? Because it's November that gives just snow in that month and gloomy weather, so people are unable to enjoy. Its end. Now hope you have enjoyed, and now go through the lesson once again, underline the meanings for you, try to make use of the dictionary because it's important. When you check the meanings by your own, you know how to use a dictionary then, and you understand well. Next lesson inshallah we are coming to the exercise. Fi amanillah, take care, Allah Hafiz.